Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video I want to show you how to set up your tabletop Pitboss grill. Let's go ahead and dive in. So guys, to begin you want to go ahead and turn your unit over. Make sure you put something soft down like cardboard or something else on the top so you don't scratch it up. Then you'll grab foot A, or also number 9, and this is going to go right below the control panel. And one thing I do love about this is that the screws are actually already in there, so you're going to take them out and then put the feet in. I think that's one of the most genius things I've ever seen in order to put something together, because you know this is exactly where it goes. Then you'll grab the other foot A, or also the number 9, and go to the opposite side, or also to the other corner, caddy corner of where you are now, and put that one in as well. Once you have put the 2 foot A's in, then you will grab the B's, or also the number 10s, and then put those in the other 2 slots that are available. One thing I do recommend with these is to use an actual screwdriver. Yes, you can see that I have drills right here, but I do recommend using screwdrivers because you don't want to strip any of these screws. So after you've put all feet in, it should look something very similar to this. So next thing you'll do is grab the lid handle. This already has the screws in it, so once you take these out, then you'll put them onto the grill. You want to start with the bezel looking like this, and then you'll go ahead and put the arm on and put the screw in from the inside. And just for clarity, you're going to do this on both sides. Next, you'll grab the flame broiler main plate. This has a little hook or ledge it sits into on the left side right here, and then it just sits into a main ledge, and it will actually kind of fall down and drip into the drip pan on the right. Next, you'll grab the flame broiler slider, and you just slide this in. You can put it over the little slats on the main broiler. Make sure that you notice that the little hook right there is on the left side. Next, you'll grab the cooking grid and just go ahead and set it in on the ledge. Next, you'll grab the upper cooking rack, and it actually hooks into the cooking grid like this. Next, you'll turn the grill on the back side, and now you're going to install the power cord bracket. Again, it goes with my love language of efficiency. Already has the screws in there. All you'll need to do is remove those, put the bracket on there, and put the screws back in. Let me know in the comments, what are you most excited about grilling on your new Pitboss? Next, you'll grab the grease cup and place them on the pre-mounted screws on the main barrel side panel. Well guys, hopefully this video helped you save time and money, and if it did, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. Also post another video right here of things we've been grilling and also how to set up other grills. And I'll see you over there.